Hello YouTubers, I'm Parwiz and this is our second video in JavaFX 10 GUI Application Development. In the previous video we had a simple introduction to JavaFX, and also we have created our first Hello World application window in JavaFX. So this is from the previous video. In this video I want to show you how you can add a button to your JavaFX main window application. So now let's get started. I'm going to create a new JavaFX application file, right click and JavaFX application. I want to call it adding button, like this. Okay, now this is our file. The first thing I'm going to change this primary stage to stage because it's a long name. And after this, first I'm going to create my window. So creating of window, if you have watched my previous video, it's so easy. Let me first give title to my window, set title and JavaFX 10 adding button. Okay, after this we need to create our container. So I'm going to create a group, root a new group like this, and let me import this. You can see group is related to javafx.scene. Okay, if you don't know about these things, you can watch my first video. I have described in there, but in every JavaFX application we have stage and we have container, and also we have a scene. So we can add this container in our scene. So after this we are going to create our scene and new scene. Okay, now in the constructor we need to add, for example, the first thing we are going to add our container root, and after this we need to set the width and height of our scene. So I'm going to set 400 the width and 400 the height. So this is our width and height. And now after this we need to set this scene into our stage. So you can simply write stage dot set scene, and our scene name is scene, like this, and at the end we need to show our scene dot we need to show our stage, not scene, stage dot show. Okay, like this. Now if I run this, you will see that I have a nice window. Now I'm waiting, and you can see now JavaFX 10 adding button. I have a nice window. After this, now how you can add button to your window. So for this, after scene, creating scene, I'm going to create button. I call it btn and new button, and you need to import button. So alt enter. Okay, you can see that button is related to javafx.scene.control. If we have combo box, menu bars, or buttons, all of them are related to the controls javafx.scene.control. So I'm going to import this. Now I need to set the text to my button, btn dot set text, and I'm going to call it click me. Okay, so now let me run my application. Now the compilation is completed and I am waiting for my window. Okay, I don't see any button in here, because when you are going to add components like button, menu bars, you need to add that to your root. So in here I'm going to root dot get children dot add, because I have just one button, so I need just add, not at all, and I want the btn. Now let me run my application. And now I am waiting. Compilation is completed. You can see now I have my button, click me in here. So this is my button. Also, if you want the text, you can give it in here. There's no problem, but I have given in this section. So after this, if you want to set, for example, the X and Y position for your button, or you can do that. So btn dot set layout X, and it takes a double value, so I want to give it 100, and you can give it set dot set layout Y, and I give it 80. So now let me just run it. Compilation is completed. Okay, now you can see it is from X position it's 100, and from the Y position it is 80. So thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos, don't forget subscription of my channel.